Today I'm reviewing these LED Christmas lights. Now the brand on these is Kwaiffeo, I believe is how it's pronounced. And then this is going to be 8 of these different shower meteor rain lights. I'll give you all the dimensions and everything on that here in a second. So let me go ahead and open these up just to show you exactly what you're going to get inside of here. So inside you're going to, as I said, get 8 of these. And these are just going to be LED ones that are going to run straight down. You can connect these together with other ones. That's what this little end piece is for. So you can take this off to connect it in with an additional one if you choose to. So again, you can take this off if I have a different one, and then I can connect these into another one. So you can see here, I've got this plug here that can run inside of that plug there and connect up. So you can connect multiple ones together if you choose. Like this is only an 8, so you might need additional ones, you know, if you're wanting to cover the whole front of your house, for example, or cover a certain section in your room, that sort of thing. And then to just connect it in, you're just going to push it in like that and then tighten this up. Same thing on this. So it's going to have this lid that I took off of here. And so if you want to connect additional ones, you can certainly do that just by taking this lid off of there. Now let me go ahead and plug this in just to show you exactly what these lights are going to look like. So I got them plugged in here, and as you can see, it's just going to be like the rainfall. There's no options to change this. So this is exactly what it's going to look like. They are going to have a different pattern, and so each one is going to be a little bit different. So as you string them out, then it's going to be like a pattern that moves across all of the different ones. Now each of these are going to be about 1 foot long, but I did want to give you the exact measurement from the one end of the cord to the other as well. But I just want to show you the different light pattern that you would be able to get here. These are going to be like a bright white. So that is something you'll consider. It's not going to be multicolored or whatever. I believe they did have a multicolored option when I was purchasing them online, but I can't remember for sure on that. So let me go ahead and grab you the exact measurements of these now. So I got all of the lights themselves stretched out. So just where the lights are going to be at, you can see there, I've got it running down here in my living room here. And it's going to be about 9 foot long. So from one end of just where the lights are at. That doesn't include the actual cord itself. So I'm going to give you a measurement on that next. But I did want to give you just the length of where the lights are at. So I got it stretched out all of the way across, and it's actually going to be about 25 feet long from where you plug it in until the end where you can connect it at. So you've got 9 feet of that is going to be all at the one end. So you've got approximately 15 feet or so of just this cord so that you can run it up from your plug or wherever you're plugging these in at, outside or inside, to where those lights will start. And then at the other end, you actually have about 1 foot or so of additional that you can use, like plug in to the next one. So overall, this is definitely a really, really long cord, about 25 foot. One last thing I did want to mention about these LED ring lights, or rain lights, sorry, is that these are actually going to have like a little clip here at the top where you can like put a nail or a screw or something through. This is one solid piece. This is like a rubberish type material. So you can easily, you know, put a small hook or a nail or a screw or something to attach these to wherever you're putting these. Assuming roof line, that's where I'm putting them. But, you know, if you're putting them somewhere else, you know, you can easily put a nail or a screw right through that little spot right there. Probably even like a push pin or something if you chose. So overall, definitely pretty happy with these. You only do get about 9 foot of length, as I showed there, where these are going to be. But overall, total length is going to be about 25 foot. So overall, these are going to work great for us and for decorating our home.